Want to use Klarna for a seamless checkout, but pay for your entire purchase immediately? In this video, I'll show you how and why to use the Pay Now option. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Pay Now is one of Klarna's payment methods, and it's perfect for when you don't need to split your payment. When you're checking out with Klarna, you'll be presented with different payment options. Alongside Pay in 4 and financing, you should see Pay Now. Selecting Pay Now allows you to complete your purchase with a single, full payment. It uses the debit or credit card you have linked to your Klarna account. The transaction is processed immediately, and the full amount is charged to your card, just like a standard card payment. A crucial pro tip: using Pay Now can be faster and avoids the mental load of tracking future payments. It's a great way to use Klarna's smooth checkout process and buyer protection without committing to an installment plan. And just like that, you have the flexibility to pay on your own terms. Using the Klarna Pay Now option combines convenience with simplicity. When do you think is the best time to use Pay Now versus Pay Later? Share your strategy. To understand the products, watch our next video on Klarna installment versus credit line explained. Thanks for watching.